Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Red vs. Blue Season 10, based on the blockbuster Xbox video game Halo. So it says includes new video based on Halo 4, not really sure what that is, featuring Elijah Woods, the Lord of the Wing, as the voice of Sigma. So, Sigma, right there. So it follows the stories of Blood Guards, right there. Chronicles. So how many episodes is on season 10? Um, hmm. To be honest with you, I don't see where it says how many episodes is on season 10. It does say approximately the what time is 165 minutes plus esters. So yeah, just that. It is Rooster Teeth and Flat One Films. Never heard of that one, Flat One Films. But it had newvideo.com and roosterteeth.com. So yeah. So yeah, where did I pick this up at? The dollar store. Of all places, the dollar store. Yeah, that's kind of a head scratcher right there. You think that you go to, roosterteeth.com or maybe something like Amazon or eBay to look for this. No. It was at the dollar store. And yes, now the dollar store is selling DVDs, and the DVD quality is not that great for their selection wise. But I mean, some of the selections you can find real gems in there. Like Halo Red vs. Blue, $1 for that. I mean, look, Yu-Gi-Oh! Zetsu, Season 1, Volume 1, $1. I mean, this would cost you like 10, maybe $15 anywhere else. Digimon Digital Monsters, the official first season 1, Volume 3, so this is Volume 3 from the first season. $1, sir, $1 again. I mean, if you saw the other video, probably, a freaking Blu-ray of the Pink Panther 2 for only $1 at the dollar store. You can't even rent this on your TV through, like, the digital Comcast Xfinity rental service for that one-day rental for under $3.99 or $5 at some other places like on Google Play Store. It'll be like $5 to rent the movie. Comcast slash Xfinity, it'll be like $3.99 for a one-day rental. I mean, and you're owning this for only $1 plus sales tax from the dollar store. So I mean, yeah, definitely head on over to the dollar store because you don't know what you're gonna find. Every dollar store has different DVDs and stuff, but $1 for this, yeah. I'm not sure. I think it was in season 10 that they had one of the best things in season 10. Caboose, the little blue guy, where it's like, I like choo-choo trains. And like, Caboose, shut up. It's funny when Church or this guy, he went for so many different names. He got killed off, reanimated into like a little one of these little characters over here, like AI, almost like what Katana was to Master Chief. That guy just, he was weird and kind of funny. But yeah, I think my favorite is probably, I don't know, I don't really have one favorite. I mean, Sarge, he likes to shoot things from lead, so I like that. But Caboose, he's kind of funny because he's always like the stupid idiot. But yeah, Church was like, okay, Caboose, I need you to get mad, buddy. So I'm going to go in your suit, kind of give you a little electric shot charge, and I'm just going to try to PO you, man. He's like, I think I already did it in my pants. And like, everyone just wants to take a step down. Like, okay, we're not mopping that up, Caboose. And then Church goes into Caboose's suit, and Caboose is like, my name is Jonathan.